Welcome back to another video. I told you guys big things are coming to the channel, which is why starting now you can go to shinearmor.com and use code Chicagoan20 to get 20% off your order today. Anything on the site, they have a bunch of car, motorcycle kits and supplies for all your detailing needs. I recommend what they have to offer. I've made multiple videos on this stuff. You can go check that out. So if you want to support me, support the channel, support their company, remember you can go to shinearmor.com, use code Chicagoan20 to get 20% off your order today. With that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Welcome back to another video. So, as you saw in the first clip, we got some Powerstop calipers, pads, and rotors. And this, as you can tell by the title, is for the Tundra. It's been a long time due. It's about time. It needed some front brakes. Everything was starting to warp. And the Tundra is almost at 200,000 miles. My dad got it brand new. So it's about time to change those calipers. So went with some Powerstop because the OEM style ones wore out pretty quick the last time he changed them, so might as well go for an upgrade. Yeah, so we do need to send the old calipers back for a core, but we got some new ones. I'll unbox them in a little bit. First I have to take them outside, and they are very, very heavy. Alright, so we got everything here. They are 4-piston calipers, say Powerstop. The pads and the rotors. That's really it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's put them on.
You know those? They were wearing unevenly.
One side is down, one more to go. We're almost done. that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Also, don't forget, if you want to support me, support the channel, if you go to shinearmor.com and use code Chicagoan20, you can get 20% off your order today.